Hey guys, sorry about that. My video cut out. I ran out of storage on my iPad. So here is part 2 of Chapter 8, Lesson 1. This is just the rest of the homework. So I think we kind of left off at number 3. So they're giving you the diameters of this tree, the diameter of the tree stump, as well as the height. Of course, you need radius. So go ahead and take that 3 feet. Make sure you divide it by 2 to get the radius. And then you're gonna, basically you're gonna take that volume, which is the number of cubic feet, you're gonna multiply it by 59 pounds per cubic foot. That's gonna tell you the total weight. Okay, just a couple others. By the way, here are the key commands. So pi times whatever your radius is, and then x squared to square it, times whatever your height is, and then enter. Number 4 is a composite solid. This figure here sort of looks like a roll of paper towels where there's an empty cylinder inside that you need to subtract. So something to notice here, this dashed line on the bottom, this is giving you the radius, the diameter of this larger circle. So again, you don't want all the way across, you want halfway across. So you're going to take that diameter, divide by 2 to get the radius. Up top is a solid line, but it's also going all the way across. So they're giving you diameter up top again. So go ahead and divide by 2 to get the radius there. For both cylinders, the height is 26. Okay, and then lastly, don't forget you're going to subtract the volume of the smaller cylinder from the volume of the larger cylinder. Okay, 5, there's kind of a lot going on here. For A, they want you to just give the volume of the gift bag, which is a rectangular prism, and the volume of the candle, where the height is 6 inches, the diameter is 2.5 inches, so go ahead and cut that in half to get the radius. For part B, once you put the candle in the bag, they want to know how much space is remaining, because they need to know how much packaging material to order per bag. So if you take the volume of the bag, subtract the volume of the candle, you're going to get the amount of packaging that's needed per gift. For part C, if there are 70 teachers in the school, each one's getting a gift bag with the candle. Each package of packaging material contains 575 cubic inches of material. How many packages do they need to buy to fill the gift bags? So first of all, if you take the number of gifts times the amount of packaging that's needed, okay, that's basically the volume in the bag that's remaining after you put the candle in there. Whatever that is going to get divided by 575 cubic inches of packaging per package. That's going to tell you the number of packaging, the number of packages of packaging that you need. If you get a decimal here, remember you can't order fractional bags of packaging, so you're going to have to round up, okay? All right, I think that's pretty much it. Just keep an eye on radius and diameter and half shapes. Don't forget to divide by 2. So if you take a look at the spiral review here, you're back to area. So don't be confused. I know your brain has been used to calculating volume for a while. This is back to area. This is actually a 7th grade standard here. So remember from the very beginning of all this, we figured out that area is equal to pi r squared. The only difference between area and volume of a cylinder is you're missing the height. There's no height here. Okay, this is just a 2-dimensional circle. Okay, there's no height. So basically, if they're giving you the radius, if they're giving you the diameter like they are in number 20, divide that by 2 to get the radius. And number 21 and number 22 and number 23, as well as 25, they're being nice to you. They're already giving you the radius. 24 confuses people because they're like, I don't know what this means. They're just telling you that the diameter is 6.2. It looks a little different than 20, but it means the same thing. So the diameter is going to be, diameter is 6.2. Go ahead and divide that by 2. That's not a 2. To get the radius. Okay, I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions about the homework or about grading or anything else, make sure you join me for the Zoom meeting tomorrow at 11. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.